Welcome to this Arnall-Culliford Knitwear tutorial. I'm going to show you how to work a 5-into-1 decrease. This is used at the top of the closed loops in Lucy Hague's Pleione Cowl. This is one of the patterns from Something New to Learn About Cables. All the best cable tips in a really easy to follow format. This cowl features a hexagon motif which is worked in the round from the centre outwards, and a closed loop cable pattern which starts from a 1-into-5 increase here, and the knit stitches are then worked out in strands and then they're joined at the top with a 5-into-1 decrease. This decrease is particularly nice because it allows the stitches to lie almost looking horizontal at the top where they join. So I'm going to show you how to work that 5-into-1 decrease. So we've worked in pattern until we're ready to decrease the next 5 stitches into one central stitch. We do this by slipping the first 3 stitches from the left needle onto the right needle, and then we lift the second stitch over the first one and off the needle. We then slip that first stitch back onto the left needle, and again slip the second stitch over the first and off. We then return that first stitch to the right needle and do the same again. So we're passing the second over the first and off, and then back onto the left needle and passing the second over the first and off. So we've taken 5 stitches down to 1, and all that remains is for us to work that final stitch. It can be worked as a knit or a purl according to your pattern. Mine it's worked as a purl. And that completes the decrease. If we work to the end of the row, you'll be able to see how the stitches work when the decrease is complete.